What's up everyone? I'm Mike and welcome to Crypto Moon. And today we're going to talk about another high potential project called Mizar. But before we begin, please notice our disclaimer. Since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Smart trading for everyone. Subscription-free trading, plus the tools you need to put your cryptos in motion. Sign up, develop your bots or copy other traders. The products. Marketplace. Instantly invest in strategies developed by successful traders. Explore the marketplace and select the best algorithmic strategy for you in just a few clicks. Bot Labs. Benefit from automated trading without writing a single line of code. Develop bots based on predefined trading strategies and automate your trades. Trading Labs. Manage all of your accounts in one place and update your portfolio in seconds. Securely connect to your exchange account and instantly take control of each of your positions. Analytics. Access advanced analytics tools to get a detailed overview about your balance, CEX and on-chain activities, market sentiment, news, and much more. Securely invest in curated strategies. Explore trading strategies developed by other traders. Follow signal providers, traders and trading firms and perform as they perform, subscription-free like. Connect to your favorite exchange with API, search and select the best strategies, copy trade and pay based on performance. The Bot Labs, develop your bots. Develop your bots to trade your favorite pairs, automatically, in the cloud, 24/7, subscription-free. DCA Bots. A dollar cost averaging, DCA, bot is an investing strategy which buys or sells a currency at preset intervals to reduce the entry price of a trade over time to mitigate risk. Develop your own bot and automate your trades on multiple exchanges, pairs and markets, at the same time. Set take profit, trailing, stop loss and more advanced options such as timeout. Open base orders based on signals coming from TradingView, API or other external sources. API bots. Create your application program interface, API, key to communicate with Mizar and develop your own bot to open/close positions using your preferred programming language. Visualize the performance of your signals with paper trading or trade directly on your favorite exchanges. Open orders based on signals coming from your self-hosted systems, TradingView, and other integrated trading platforms. TradingView. Connect to your TradingView account or include the TradingView indicators in your bots to automate your trades so you can open orders using TradingView indicators. Send signals with TradingView webhook, visualize trends and prices on TradingView charts. The Trading Labs, Smart Trade. Trade your favorite cryptos on different exchanges and markets from one single platform, subscription-free. Single terminal. Trade simultaneously on your favorite exchanges from one single place. Diversify. Trade your favorite pairs on spot and futures markets. 100% control. Start and stop any position at any time. Take profits or stop losses based on your goals. Advanced tools. Set take profits, stop loss, trailing and more advanced settings to improve your performance. TradingView. Monitor prices, volumes and other indicators through the integrated TradingView chart dashboard. Analyze. Analyze your performance and metrics and improve your trading. Pricing, no subscription fees. Trade with your bots and pay on usage. Copy other traders and reward them if their strategies perform like. Copy other traders and reward them based on monthly performance. Manage your own portfolio or develop your bots and pay on traded volumes, stake MZR to reduce fees and get additional perks. Reduce expenses with our holding program. Hold MZR in your Mizar wallet and reduce your volume and performance fee. MZR are not locked, you can withdraw them at any time. Manage and trade your cryptos cross-exchange. Mizar supports different top-tier exchanges. Connect your exchange and start to trade your favorite currencies or derivatives from their partners. Binance, KuCoin, FTX, OKEx, Bitfinex, and more. The roadmap. How will Mizar achieve its goals and realize its vision? Phase 1. Mizar Private Beta Platform. Integration with Top 10 CEX. Launch of Closed Beta Platform. Mizar Open Beta Release. MZR Token Launch and Integration. Phase 2. Smart Trading. Trading Terminal. CEX Galaxy Fund. DEX Mizar Testnet. Phase 3. Mizar Multi-Chain. DEX Galaxy Fund. DAO Managed Galaxy Fund. Now let's visit Mizar's Twitter page. They currently have 21.1 thousand followers and still growing. Let's go to the pinned tweet corner. Whitelist Giveaway. The launch of the Mizar Community Social Whitelist is finally here. Read the article to learn more about how you can earn your MZR dollar. Get in on the action early while you still can. And that's all for Mizar. Come visit our channel, subscribe and watch out for our next videos here at Crypto Moon. Thanks for watching.